Good morning, scholars. Happy Wacky Tacky Day. I am so excited to be back for math, where we are going to continue to count by 10. So go ahead and grab your scratch piece of paper and your pencil, and let's get ready. Okay, scholars. So on my board, I have some magnets. Now, to help me count, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to group them by tens. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a circle, and inside this circle, let me make sure it's a circle. So here's my circle. I am going to move 10 of my magnets into the circle, and this will be one group of 10, okay? So I'm just going to start moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now that I moved 10, I'm going to just double check that I have 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have one group of 10. So I have one group of 10. I can look at this circle and I know that I already have 10. Now, I can see here that I don't have enough magnets to make another group of 10. So I'm just going to count these by ones. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. Okay, so let's think about this again. So right here, I know that there are 10 ones, because I put 10 of my magnets inside the circle. So again, there are 10 ones. Go ahead and say that with me. There are 10 ones. And then over here, I have 6 ones. Okay, so here I have 6 ones. I have 6 ones. Go ahead and say that with me. We have 6 ones. Now, there are blank ones and blank ones. So let's go ahead and fill in this sentence. I know that I have how many ones? 10 ones, yes, because let's make sure I know that inside my circle, I have 10 magnets. So that means I have 10 ones. And then right here, I'm going to count by ones, and I see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So right here, I have 6 ones. So scholars, now that I see that there are 10 ones and there are 6 ones, I can quickly count. So I know that here I have 10. So I have 10, and I can count on by 1 from 10 to see how many magnets I have total. So let's go. 10. I'm going to cross it out to help me. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So all together, I have 16 ones. So let's say that together. I have 16 ones. I have 16 ones. So I know that 10 ones and 6 ones make 16. So 10 and 6 make 16. Okay, scholars. Let's go. Now, I have a bag of apples, and we're going to do the same thing, but I'm going to show you a different strategy instead of making a separate circle. Okay? So, scholars, in my bag, I have apples. And I don't know how many, But to help me quickly figure out, I'm going to make one group of 10, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to circle. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I double checked that I circled 10. Now, remember, in my circle, there are 10 ones. So in my circle, there are 10 ones. And I see that there's not enough to make another group of 10. So I'm going to count these apples individually by 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I see that I have 6 ones left over. So I have a group of 10 ones and I have a group of 6 ones. Again, I have a group of 10 ones and I have a group of 6 ones. Let's go ahead and finish our circle or our sentence. There are blank ones and blank ones. So in my circle, remember, we grouped together 10 apples. So I know that there are 10 ones and 6 ones because I had 6 apples left over. Now, remember, scholars, you guys can go ahead and quickly count your work by tens. So I have one group of 10, so I can start at 10. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So now I know that I have 16 apples. So again, 10 and 6 more make 16. 10 and 6 more make 16. Okay, scholars, let's keep going. Now I have superheroes. And I need to quickly figure out how many superheroes I have. So remember what I did in the last 2 problems, how I grouped 10 superhero or 10 ones together? We're going to do the same thing. We're going to group 10 superheroes together. Now, I like the strategy of separating it, so I'm going to draw another circle here. And inside my circle, I'm going to put 10 superheroes. Now, if the strategy of circling like I did here works best for you, go ahead and do that. If this strategy works best for you, you can go ahead and do that too. As long as the problem is not asking you to specifically circle a group of 10, you can go ahead and use this one. So let's go ahead and break and put 10 superheroes in our circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I see inside my circle, how many ones do I have? How many ones do I have inside my circle? Go ahead and think, and get ready to say 1, 2, 3. You have 10 ones. 10. So I'm going to go ahead and say there are 10 ones and blank ones. So let's figure out how many ones we have left over. So I'm going to label it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I see that there are 4 ones. Now, scholars, I want to know how many superheroes do I have altogether? Do I have to count by ones? 1, 2, 3, 4 until I get how many superheroes I have? Say, no way, no way. You do not. You can go ahead and use the counting by 10 strategies that we've been using. So let's go ahead and let's do it together. I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 superheroes. And I did all of that by quickly counting by tens and ones. So 10 and 4 make 14. 10 and 4 make 14. Okay, scholars, here's where you're going to need your scratch piece of paper to solve your exit ticket. Now, the exit ticket is asking you to choose the sentence that matches the picture. Go ahead and pause the video right now and answer, and then come back to check your work. Okay, scholars, now that you guys have done the work on your own, I'm going to show you what strategy I used to help me choose the sentence that matches the picture. So, instead of counting and labeling all of these pretzels, I'm going to try the counting by tens and ones strategies that we just used. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a group, or I'm going to circle a group of 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have a group of 10, and I'm going to write 10 just so I don't forget that this right here is a group of 10. And then I'm going to count on. So 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I see that I have 10 ones and 4 more, or 4 ones. So 10 ones and 3 ones, nope. 10 ones and 5 ones, nope. 10 ones and 10 ones, nope. 10 ones and 4 ones. That is correct. Go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back, and I will see you tomorrow. Make sure to continue to practice those addition flashcards this week, and I cannot wait to see you. Have a wonderful day.